my dear students, welcome back in my class. So today's topic is healthy eating. Okay, as you know my dear students, to be fit and fine, it is very important for us to eat healthy food. So in today's video we will cover four things, the important thing, that is number one, we have types of food. Number two, we have food habit. Number three, we have meal time. And number four, we have balanced diet. Balanced diet. So these are the topics we will cover in today's chapter, okay, or you can say today's topic. So first thing, we have types of food. Now my dear students, in types of food we have three different types of food which help to grow our body, or you can say which help to give energy to us. Okay, so what are these three? Number one, we have energy giving food. Number two, we have bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food. And number three, we have protective food. Now, what food, or you can say which food will come under which type, we will learn. Okay, so in energy giving food, all the food items, all the you can say food, vegetables which give us, not vegetable, food which give us energy, those food will come under energy giving food. For example, wheat is healthy for our body. Rice, potatoes, sugar, oil, etc. Okay, so these are the food which comes under energy giving food. Now in bodybuilding food, those food will come which help to grow our body, okay, which give us some protein, or you can say nutrients. Those food are meat, egg, then we have chicken. Okay, so these food will come under bodybuilding food. Now in protective food, we have two, you can say two type, or two type. First, we have vegetables. Now vegetables will include all the types of vegetables: brinjal, potatoes, etc. Okay, and the second one is we have fruits. Fruits will include all the fruits. Okay, for example, apple, mango, banana, okay, etc. So my dear students, these are the different types of food. Now we will learn about food habits. Okay, so my dear students, people in the all over the world eat different types of food. Okay, so what are those food? So that we will learn in today's topic, that is food habit. So we have covered types of food. Second topic we have food habits. Okay. So my dear students, in food habit we have two main types. Number one, vegetarian, and number two, we have non-vegetarian. In vegetarian, we will include all the vegetables. Okay, vegetables like brinjal, potatoes, capsicum, okay, and many more vegetables, spinach. So all these vegetables will come under vegetarian food. In non-vegetarian food, we will include meat, fish, chicken, egg. Okay, so all these food will come under non-vegetarian food. So these food help us to eat good food. Okay, now we have the third one, that is meal time. Third topic is meal time. Now we have divided our day in three different meal time. Okay, so number one, we have breakfast. Number two, we have lunch, and number three, we have dinner. Okay, so my dear students, as it is always said that eat your breakfast like a king. That means राजा की तरह खाना खाओ, क्योंकि ब्रेकफास्ट करो. ठीक है, क्यों? क्योंकि हमारा पूरे दिन भर का जितना भी काम होता है, ठीक है, वो डिपेंड करता है कि हमने कितना ब्रेकफास्ट किया है, हमने पेट भर के खाया है या नहीं. अगर हम आधे ही पेट मॉर्निंग में ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं तो क्या होता है, हम आधे ही दिन में हमारा काम करने में मन नहीं लगता है, या हमें भूख लगती है, या हमें चक्कर आते हैं, या हमें कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हो जाती है. ठीक है, तो क्या इसीलिए हम कहते हैं कि राजा की तरह ब्रेकफास्ट करना चाहिए पेट भर के, ताकि हमें किसी भी तरीके की कोई भी प्रॉब्लम ना हो. तो अब हमें ब्रेकफास्ट में क्या क्या खाना चाहिए. ठीक है, वी शुड हैव पोहा. ओके, पोहा खा सकते हैं हम, या हम जूस पी सकते हैं. ओके, देन वी कैन ऑल्सो हैव different food. Then we should have milk also, because milk is very important. It gives us calcium. Okay, it provides us calcium. Then we should have idli. Sorry. Okay, milk, idli, fruits. सो हमें ये सारी चीज़ें मॉर्निंग में खाना चाहिए. ठीक है, एंड इन लंच टाइम वी शुड हैव, मतलब हम मीडियम फूड. ठीक है, क्योंकि फॉर रेस्ट ऑफ द डे इट इज़ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट टू हैव लंच ऑल्सो. ओके, सो इन लंच टाइम व्हाट फूड वी शुड ईट, लाइक रोटी, राइस, दाल, सैलेड. Okay, and many more things we should have in our lunch time. Now in dinner you can include vegetables also, because vegetables are also important. Okay. Now my dear students, we should have in dinner time, we should have light meal, because पूरे दिन भर जब हम काम करते तो हमारी बॉडी को रेस्ट लेना भी ज़रूरी है। जैसे हमारी बॉडी को रेस्ट लेना ज़रूरी है, वैसे ही हमारे डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम को भी रेस्ट देना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है। अगर हम अपने डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम को रेस्ट नहीं देते हैं तो दूसरे दिन हमारे लिए ही प्रॉब्लम होगी। ओके, सो इन डिनर we should have light meal. Light meals means you can eat soup, you can have salad, you can have roti. Okay, so these are the meals we should have in 3 different time, that is breakfast, lunch and dinner. So I have covered meal also. The last topic is balanced diet. Okay, now in balanced diet, different types of food comes in balanced diet. You can include vegetarian food or you can include non-vegetarian foods. ठीक है, so it give us all the nutrients which are required, or you can say which are important for our body to grow. Okay, so that is why my dear students, balanced diet is very important to lead a healthy life. So these were the topics which I have covered in today's video. Revise it, see it in your notebook, book. Okay, and follow the balanced diet, or you can say follow the healthy habits, so that you can be fit and fine at your home. Thank you and Jai Hind.